new Honda powered Kiam pressure washer. So I'm going to unscrew the dipstick on the side of the engine. So I've filled the engine with oil, and I've put unleaded petrol in the fuel tank as well. So I'm just going to run through the starting procedure with you. On the side of the engine you have a red on-off switch, so I'm going to flick that to on. You also have a throttle lever on the side of the engine here. I'm going to move that over to the hair, so that's on maximum throttle. So I'm going to put the fuel on, and I'm going to put the choke lever to on.